Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. The doctor told what ailments it is better not to drive a car. Some people, even when they feel unwell, drive their cars. These people usually risk their lives and the lives of those who drive other cars on the road. If the health condition of a person who has already felt unwell worsens, he is likely to provoke an accident. In some cases, doctors forbid patients from driving. What health problems are you temporarily prohibited from driving? The doctor may prohibit the patient from driving if he is weak, has decreased reaction, or he may suddenly turn off. Here is a sample list of situations when you are temporarily prohibited from driving: myocardial infarction or similar heart attack, episode of fainting, stroke or other disorder of cerebral circulation, convulsions, a cardioverter defibrillator installed in the chest, the doctor wrote. He also advised the relatives of such a person to do everything possible so that he did not get behind the wheel with poor health. How to prevent a sick family member from driving. A sick person may have less criticism of his condition, but at the same time he has enough strength to serve himself, and the desire to get behind the wheel remains. Then you will have to somehow prevent him from driving. Hide the car keys, remove the battery, park your car in another yard. It will be difficult for a sick person to look for a car, and he will give up this venture. Find an assistant who will be available and, if necessary, can give a lift to a sick family member, the doctor advised. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.